In 1899 bucket, I got the lowest spec OPPO K13 Turbo Turbo Pro. Many friends left comments asking me to show the gaming performance of this phone, saying the design is smooth. Can it maintain 1.2 frames? Okay, no problem. Today I've got it arranged for you. Let's first take a look at the appearance and configuration.
Regarding the screen, it is 6.8 inches with a resolution of 2800 by 1280 and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It has a plastic frame and can easily stand upright on a flat surface. The back cover material is made of high-strength composite board. This phone comes with a built-in cooling fan, and there's an option here. Of course, you say to turn it on, and it turns on. Then there are two modes, smart power or extreme speed. I directly set it to extreme speed, and after turning it on, it has these little lights. The phone, these lights can be adjusted to several colors, and in terms of performance, it is equipped with the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor. My unit system version is 15.0.2.403 with 12 plus 256. It has a 7,000 mAh battery and 80-watt charging. With performance mode and the cooling fan, I scored 2,010,000 points, surpassing 73% of users. Before the game, let's turn on the high performance mode and also turn on the cooling fan, setting it to the high level. In terms of gaming, HDR is 90, high definition is 90, balanced is 90, and smooth is 120. We play at smooth 120, and it's recommended to directly turn on the esports mode. I noticed that online, many people test this phone's gaming performance under high temperatures, so today I won't turn on the air conditioning either. It's 29.7 degrees, and I'll just endure it. Honestly, without air conditioning, it's really hot. Your hands get so sticky touching the phone. Battery at 87, let's start directly. Okay, we directly entered the game, so today my hand... Using this small feature on the phone, I think it won't work, but that's okay. We'll use the computer to test it for a while and see the real rate, right? Seems fine, currently around Huangdong Township, no problem. Okay, we landed smoothly. How many? 12 people, not too many, enough. Okay, we'll play for 26 minutes. The room temperature is now 29.9 degrees, and the phone is at 49.6 degrees. The battery is at 78% with 9% consumed. Come, let's take a look at the real graphics. The average frame rate is 112 frames. We played 2 rounds in total. This is the first round, and this is the second round, both in this themed area. The first round felt okay, but later... For the second one, the fluctuation is more noticeable. You see, when toggling, it's 90. And at the lowest, it drops below 90 frames, but it's just for that moment. Overall, looking at the second toggle, it can basically reach around 90 frames. So, if you say 120 and you find it unstable, then just play smoothly for a long time.
So, if you say, hey, I turned on the fan, added a cooler, and played in an air-conditioned room, then surely the frame rate should be even better.